Apple has just released iOS 26.51 for iPhone, and while this isn't a major update, it's still an important one. This update focuses on bug fixes, stability improvements, and security updates rather than new features. According to Apple's release notes, iOS 26.51 fixes a charging issue affecting a small number of users with the iPhone Air and iPhone 17 models. Apple says the update addresses a problem that could prevent wired charging when the battery becomes nearly depleted. To install the update, go to Settings, General, then Software Update. If you've experienced charging issues, random bugs, or general performance problems, I definitely recommend installing this update. Think of this as a maintenance update designed to improve reliability and prepare devices for the next major release. And with WWDC 2026 and iOS 27 being announced next week, this is likely one of the final updates before Apple shifts its focus to iOS 27.